Morning student. On Saturday I have given you all assignment to solve by yourself because I have already explained each and every line previous classes. So now you can check your answer with my answer that your answer is right or wrong. But I will just say you the answer over here. You follow. The keyboard and mouse are input device. First fill in the blanks. You have to choose the correct answer from inside the boxes. The brain of the computer is the CPU. It is already given. The printer and monitor are output devices. ROM is a dash in nature. ROM is a permanent in nature. RAM is temporary in nature. Okay, at once you will just listen my voice and at once you will note it down your copy. Now next one, match the following also. Here you have to match with the floppy disk number B, secondary memory. Short term memory works like TV, that is monitor. Okay, brain of the computer CPU prints on paper, that is printer, and short term memory is RAM. Again I am saying you, floppy disk secondary memory, short term memory RAM works like TV, monitor, brain of the computer number A, CPU, prints on paper, printer. Now next one, true and false. CPU is the brain of the computer. That is true. Each key is expressed in terms of a bit in byte, that is bit. Okay, so each key is expressed in terms of a bit. True. Primary memory is also called external memory. False. 3.5 inches floppy disk is difficult to bend. False. DVD is newer technology as compared to CD. True. So again repeating, number 1 true, number 2 true, number 3 false, number 4 false, number 5 true. Now what is secondary memory? Answer the following question number D and give any 3 example. That which memory we can attach as an external memory. External memory we can attach with our CPU, that is actually secondary memory. So what we are attaching with the secondary memory, like hard disk, pen drive, CD, these are the all secondary devices, okay, or secondary memory. So we can save all the items in a secondary memory for future. So what we can attach externally, the device which we can attach externally is called a secondary memory, like pen drive, CD, DVD, hard disk. These all are secondary memory. Now BIOS, basic input output system, is contained in ROM and not in RAM. Can you guess it why? Because BIOS is already, I explained in last that BIOS is already manufactured by the company and it is, the RAM is fixed from the manufacturing company. So BIOS is connected in ROM and not in RAM. So RAM we can open and also we can increase the size of RAM, that is not sealed by the company, manufacturing company. So ROM is a permanent memory, so that is why it is fixed by the manufacturing company. RAM is not permanent, it is a temporary. If you want, you can increase the size of the RAM, you can decrease the size of the RAM. So can you guess why? This is the only reason, that one is permanent and another is temporary. Give any two application of computer, application software name. So you can write WordPad, MS Word, Notepad, MS Excel. So many applications software are there, but you need to write only two application software. You will write MS Word, WordPad. Okay, these are.